Porsche has done something nuts. Not that many will have the courage to do it in the automotive world. It has nothing to do with electric cars. Instead, the legendary automaker is steering back toward combustion, but with a futuristic twist. Recently, they filed a patent. It would appear they know what they are doing, or at least they have a plan for how to make the technology more viable and able to compete with the EV market. Their latest patent hints at a hydrogen-fueled engine that could deliver insane horsepower without the carbon footprint. Could this be the turning point that brings internal combustion roaring back? Is it the comeback of combustion but in a way better package? Let's see it. While most automakers have jumped on the EV trend, Porsche seems to be asking a different question. What if combustion still had more to offer? For years, the industry has favored electric drivetrains, but it comes with range anxiety, charging delays, and frustrated drivers. Many are beginning to ask the question, is there a better path? Porsche thinks there might be. They've been quietly working behind the scenes, investing in tech that could reshape how we view high-performance engines. Their new design doesn't just aim to keep combustion alive, it wants to make it cleaner, more efficient, and more powerful than ever. Hydrogen isn't a new idea in the automotive industry, but Porsche's approach is far from conventional. Unlike fuel cell electric vehicles, this tech uses hydrogen in a direct combustion format, similar to gasoline but without the same harmful emissions. In other words, it behaves like a traditional engine, just cleaner, way cleaner. What's groundbreaking here is how Porsche's engine generates power. Rather than sticking to traditional four-stroke cycles, their patent outlines a multi-stroke combustion process that maximizes energy output from every drop of hydrogen. Early analysis suggests significantly increased horsepower without compromising on emissions. For over 100 years, people have used ICE technology that has powered most vehicles globally. ICE is known for high energy output, fast refueling, familiar and reliable use. What is ICE? It stands for internal combustion engine. An internal combustion engine is a type of engine where fuel, like gasoline or diesel, is burned inside the engine to create power. This combustion process happens in a sealed chamber, and the explosion of fuel creates pressure that moves parts of the engine to generate motion. This is what powers your car. Most cars use a four-stroke ICE. These four strokes make one cycle, which goes through four main stages. Intake: air and fuel are pulled into the engine. Compression: the air-fuel mix is squeezed tightly. Power: a spark ignites the mix, causing a mini explosion that pushes a piston down, which creates power. Exhaust: burn gases are released. The result: 4 strokes per cycle, 1 power stroke. Only one of those 4 strokes actually produces power. What if you could have more power strokes per cycle? That's where Porsche's new hydrogen patent comes in. They're experimenting with multiple power strokes in a single cycle, which could mean more power from the same amount of fuel. Better efficiency, a different kind of engine design altogether. A patent for hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine, but it's not a fuel cell vehicle like a Toyota Mirai. Instead of converting hydrogen into electricity, Porsche's engine burns hydrogen directly, just like gasoline in a regular engine. Porsche's idea: create an engine design where you can get 2 power strokes per cycle instead of 1. More power output, higher efficiency, cleaner emissions. Since it's hydrogen, there's no CO2. As hydrogen burns clean, the main byproduct is water vapor, not harmful gases like CO2. Refuels quickly like gasoline, not like slow-charging EVs. Great for high-performance cars, gives that classic engine sound and feeling. What makes Porsche's hydrogen engine different? It's a combustion engine, not a fuel cell, so it still gives that classic engine rumble and driving feel. New engine geometry. The patent includes a unique cylinder and piston design that allows for more frequent power delivery, which boosts performance. High revving potential. It's designed to rev higher than a typical gasoline engine, which is perfect for sports cars. Cleaner emissions. Since hydrogen doesn't release carbon when burned, it's much more environmentally friendly, though it can still produce small amounts of NOx depending on temperature. As we see, Porsche is pushing boundaries where others stopped. While other manufacturers have paused or pulled back from hydrogen development, Porsche is pushing full throttle. This isn't about abandoning EVs. They've already proven their capabilities with the Taycan. But it shows they're not happy with just one solution. Porsche appears determined to explore every possible path to high-performance sustainability. That's a glimpse into tomorrow's supercars and a better future for them. If Porsche's innovation reaches production, it could mean more than just cleaner engines. We're talking lighter vehicles with fewer battery constraints, quicker refueling, and the glorious roar of combustion, something electric cars just can't replicate. Imagine a supercar that delivers electric-level efficiency, but still sounds like a Porsche should. Patents don't always lead to production, but Porsche's history says otherwise. With their unmatched R&D capabilities and a legacy of reshaping automotive standards, there's a real chance we'll see this technology on the road within the decade. And if they succeed, the industry might have to rethink everything it thought it knew about the future of cars.